model, 62-plate Iveco Daily 50c14 X long wheelbase, 16-seater minibus Great Camper Project automatic. Body, green, minibus. Mileage, 146746. Engine, 2998 cc F1C EEV-G. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest minibus with heaps of potential. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.